Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you this super quick and easy under 5-minute makeup look. This is something that I usually throw on when I'm just in a hurry to get out the door, and that usually happens whenever my husband tells me we have to go unexpectedly. So yeah, this one goes out to him for rushing me out the door most if not all the time, because he just hates that I take so long to get ready. But yeah, whenever I do have to get out the door really quick, I just like to throw this on, and I still look put together, but I didn't take such a long time to do. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you would like to know how I recreate this look, then please just keep on watching and let's get to it. To start off, I just apply some type of moisturizer. Lately I have been using this Sephora All Day Hydrator. I have really enjoyed using this, and it's just super lightweight on my skin. So I'll just go ahead and apply this to my whole face area. So I just grab something like this, and then I just go ahead and apply it all over my face. From here, I'm going to start outlining and just filling in my brows. Today, for doing this, I'm going to use the brow definer from Anastasia. And this one's in the shade dark brown. I'm just going to outline really quickly and fill in. So I'm just gonna run the spoolie through the eyebrows really quickly just to go ahead and comb them and give them some shape. Now I'm just gonna go in and outline my brows. Definitely try out with a brow pencil, because I feel like it's just super quick and easy to just put on your brows and get going. That is one of the things that I do whenever I'm in a hurry and I just want to get out the door. I definitely grab my brow pencil and I just draw them, fill them in really quickly, and I'm out the door. Now I'm going to jump into the foundation. So I'm just going to be using today this Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. This one is in the shade Desert Beige, and I'm just gonna apply it to my face. To blend this out, I am going to be using today my Morphe Y6 brush. Now that it's all blended, I'm gonna jump into applying my concealer. I'm just gonna be using today my e.l.f. Hydrating Camel Concealer. And this one is in the shade Medium Beige. And with a damp beauty blender, I'm just gonna go ahead and blend all of this out. I'm also going to grab a little bit more of concealer, and I'm going to apply it to this flat concealer brush from BH Cosmetics, just so that I can go ahead and clean up my brows. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and blend this out. I also just dragged it a little bit down to my eyelid so that I can go ahead and at the same time set that area. To set all of these areas, I'm going to be using today my Air Spun powder. I'm just going to take some on my beauty blender, and I'm going to set under my eyes. Also at this time, I'm going to just set my eyelids. It's time to do a little bit of bronzing. So today I'm just going to be using this Too Faced bronzer, and I'm going to take it with my Y5 brush, and I'm just going to really lightly bronze my skin here, and then I'm just going to drag it to my forehead area. Just take it really into the hairline so that it looks more natural. I'm going to take some and then just drag it down my nose. And I'm also just going to add a little bit here on my eyelid, like that. I'm also just going to add a little bit of mascara to my eyelashes. Today I'm using this Believe Beauty High Drama Fiber Mascara. I really love the applicator on this. It's just like really nice and it just grabs all your lashes. So I really like that about this applicator. Okay, and I'm just going to set my eyebrows. I'm going to be using my NYX Tinted Brow Mascara. This one is in the shade Espresso. I'm also going to pop on a liquid lipstick. I'm going to be using this Ulta Beauty Matte Liquid Lipstick. Not sure of the shade, but I'll go ahead and link it below once I find it. To finalize, I'm going to set the makeup, and I'm going to be using this e.l.f. Makeup Setting Mist. And here you have it, guys. This is the completed look. This is something that I throw on when I am in a hurry to get out the door. So it is super easy and quick. You can definitely even skip some steps. Like, you don't even have to draw your eyebrows. If you have good eyebrows, you can definitely just go with your tinted mascara and just apply it, and there you go. But I do definitely try to just draw in my brows just to make the look a little bit more put together, because my eyebrows are definitely not the best. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you haven't done so already, subscribe to my channel if you like what you see. I loved hanging out with you once again today. This is pretty much all that I have for you guys today. I hope to see you guys very soon on my next video. And remember to stay scrumptious. Bye, guys.